In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the social media link preview for your Canva website. So to do that, just click on Publish Website, and then over here, click on Settings, and then make sure you're in the Site tab. If you don't have social media link preview enabled yet, just make sure it's enabled, just like that. And this is going to be your default preview, which Canva automatically makes for you. So I'm going to change it by clicking over here on this little cloud icon. And now you can pick any picture that you want to represent as your social media link preview. And what this preview image will do is, if you copy this link of your website and send it to someone, like in Discord or Instagram, you're going to see this image pop up above the link. So it's a nice way of promoting your website and looking at a preview of it. And that's it. You can remove the preview if you want by clicking on the trash icon, just like that, and you can put it back by just choosing a file again and then selecting it and open. And make sure after you did all that not to just close, just make sure to publish the changes, because if you just closed the page right now, all the things you did would be undone. So let's click on continue to publish and then republish. And that's it. So that's how you can change your social media link preview of your Canva website. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.